as a representative of Lingua Club and one of the authors of our program Do To Get that stemmed originally from Lingua Club's program Learning Through Play via goals. We are very proud that we have come to have this intercultural exchange with Portugal, and we are very happy that we can transfer our knowledge to others, and also to transfer our great experience that we have with this program with children in schools. And we hope that this would become an official program in the following years, because we think it is very efficient and it is very motivating and rewarding. And we are also very sorry that our intercultural exchange has come to an end after these 3 days. But again, looking forward to developing this program together with our partners, and to seeing it as a new beginning in educational approach.